Good evening. I'm Sheriff Tim Carter with the Shenandoah County Sheriff's Office, and I want to take a moment to address a recent animal control incident that has deeply affected one of our residents. Last night I had the opportunity to meet with the owner of a dog that was euthanized on March 25th. During our meeting, I listened to his concerns, expressed my sincere apologies, and acknowledged that more should have been done to properly identify the dog's owner before the decision to euthanize was made. As I discussed with the owner, since the incident, we've thoroughly reviewed our procedures and are implementing important changes to ensure that incidents like this do not occur again. I genuinely believe that the owner loved and cared for his dog, and I'm deeply sorry for the family's loss. Moving forward, we're committed to ensuring that similar situations are handled with the utmost care and diligence to prevent such an outcome. Thank you.